Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and I will tell you about intents in Android. Now, intents are used everywhere in Android programming. Intent is implicit as well as explicit. In implicit intent, you specifically tell the class in which you want to jump from previous class to the next class. And in implicit intent, you just need to perform the action and rest will be handled by system unit. Giving an example, like when you switch from one application to another, it is also done by intent. And intents are also used in services, any background task, any other performance that is done by Android system. Let me tell you first explain about my project that I have created. The first one is for explicit and another is for implicit. Now switching to the Java code, now I have created two references of button 1 and button 2, that is for explicit and implicit. In explicit intent, that we need to give an extra class from which and the previous class from which the activity will switch. This is then my first activity. Second is I am just using the start activity method and passing the intent object in it. Now this will switch my activity from first activity to second activity. In implicit intent, I am using two objects, that is first the string. Suppose I want to open an URL, so I am using a string called URL and I am passing the actual URL in which I have to open in my browser. In converting into an URI first and then setting it to the intent using setData method, and again I am using the start activity and passing the intent object in it. First one is these two buttons. Now when I click on the explicit intent, I am going to the second activity, and now in the implicit intent, now my browser opens this www.google.com. This is how intent works. Thank you.